If you are in Los Angeles, you should know that there is new immigration enforcement operations happening today, Sunday, February 23rd and on. They're going to be doing something called Knock and Talk. Now, if you are home and police are at your door, it does not matter if you are a citizen or not. You have rights. You have a First Amendment right to always film the police. That includes ICE and immigration. You do not have to let them know you're filming. They are public servants with no expectation of privacy. Now, you do not have to let them in. You could say, do you have a warrant? And you must know that a valid warrant must be issued by a court. A valid warrant must have the correct name and the address of the person being seized, and a valid warrant must be signed by a judge or a magistrate judge. An invalid warrant would be issued by the Department of Homeland Security. It would have an ICE administrative document, or it'd be signed by an immigration officer. Those are invalid warrants, meaning even if they show you some document and you look at it and it doesn't have these things, it is invalid. You do not have to let them in, and you'll make sure to record them. You'll make sure to ask them for their name, for their badge number. You will keep filming. Everyone in the house should be filming until they leave. You refuse entry. You refuse searches. Now, if they come in anyway, you still want to be filming, and you say, we refuse searches. If they ask you any questions, you must invoke your Fifth Amendment right. You must say, I remain silent until my lawyer is present. And then you say nothing. You don't answer any questions. You don't answer whose home it is. You don't answer what time it is. You don't answer anything at all. If you want more information, we interviewed an immigration attorney who's helped thousands of people get their citizenship. His name is Saman Nasseri. And we interview him on podcast episode 1 of the Mr. Checkpoint podcast. So episode 1, search Mr. Checkpoint anywhere where you listen to podcasts. Listen to episode 1, and you will hear from Saman Nasseri, an immigration attorney, on more of what to do if you encounter ICE and or immigration. Check it out, share it, and share this message. Be safe out there. This is an image of Know Your Rights in Spanish. Take a screenshot. And this one is in English. Take a screenshot. Please share this. Please be safe. And follow Always for the People, the nonprofit 501c3 advocating for victims of systemic injustice and making sure people know their rights and laws.